Introducing General Officer Commanding, the epitome of leadership and authority, enlisted rankings. Bow down in admiration to this prestigious figure. With jurisdiction over every operation and strategy, they plunge into battle with a ruthless determination. For victory, fame follows their name as they dominate the game of leadership and power. But breaking away from the norm, they strive for more than just recognition. Their goal is to make a way for others to rise, leaving a flawless legacy of empowerment. Just like Jabez, who was honored by his mother, despite the sorrow she bore. General Officer Commanding calls upon a higher power. They seek blessings and divine guidance to enlarge their territory and stay protected from evil, always striving for success. With an unwavering commitment to their covenant of friendship and prosperity, they navigate through challenges that come their way. Provoked yet tolerated, they trust in God's plan and engage others to do the same. Standing tall like the scepter of Judah, they ascend to the ivory tower, where lifelong commitments and allegiances are made. Implanting their authority through spirit-actuated revival, their influence remains undiminished as they manifest their awaited salvation. Just as Gideon, the mighty man of valor, was chosen by the Lord, General Officer Commanding is built for fame and awoken into awareness. They emerge from hiding, partnering with powerful soldiers, ready to conquer any battlefield. Accosted and respected, their presence exudes bravery and an active spirit. Equipped with all qualifications, they execute their commission with the assurance of success and the courage to conquer any challenge. Their understanding of the time sets them apart, influencing all and possessing great skills. They know when to rule and when to obey, navigating the tides of events with precision and wisdom. In the game of leadership, General Officer Commanding knows the proper times for plowing, sowing, and reaping. Their guidance shapes the future, always staying attuned to the tendencies of the present events. With their clarity of purpose and unwavering dedication, they inspire others to follow and trust in their lead. General Officer Commanding, the embodiment of leadership, leaves a lasting impact on all who encounter their presence.
Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.